Hello everyone, welcome to yet another important video. And in today's video, I think I wanted to tell you that the bubble has finally burst. One of the very top tier MNC with more than 1 lakh companies has fired more than 10,000 employees without giving any time for explanation. So what do you think could be the reason? Yes, you are right. They have found that there is a discrepancy in their employment. So we all know what happened, during the last 2 years, the type of, uh, practices that, many were doing, like say proxies, lip syncing, or backdoor entries, all of that is now strictly being monitored. Your background verification is being strictly done. Okay, so I would suggest or encourage, stay alert, trust your skill than anything else, because we know this would come into light today or tomorrow. After moonlighting, everyone is very cautious, be it your current interviews that are happening, which are very strict, which are closely monitored, and with the hybrid culture where you have to return to office, the numbers have really dropped down. So my heart goes to all of those who were part of that. I'm really sorry for you guys, but I would suggest, trust your skill, and and start moving forward and look forward for your next job. And those who are trying for new job, I would suggest, again, work hard, practice more, you will get it. Again, it is not specific to one or two technologies, it can be any technologies. The reason being simply, they have found out, how you have done, and it is being caught in the interviews. So be prepared, your upcoming interviews might be little tough because of all of this. Stay alert, practice more, and you will today, tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow, but one day you will definitely get it. But when you get it, you'll not have to worry about all of this, because you have come, or you have came till here with your own hard work. Okay, and all the best for your future, guys, and stay tuned for more updates, and bye bye.